It's really cool being a therian. On Christmas Day there's magic feelings that came to light on a holiday from a spirit once so far away. For some time I've come undone, but the Christmas spirit has begun. Gotta learn to let our animals roar and love the feelings we ignore. It's time for all the animals to gather round, because we'll never be alone on a therian Christmas. Therian Christmas, I'm leaving pop-tarts in the snow, followed away from the town. I'll be having fun on a therian Christmas.